Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 8th, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner. And also make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So gold just kept on pushing down today, and the fact that it did keep pushing down means that this probably really is an A, a B, and a C, and it's an expanding ABC. The 178% Fibonacci extension for expanding wave C is right below this 200 area, so it did overshoot it a little bit, but I mean, you got to be a little flexible with your fib levels on your expanding and running ABC corrections. So if that really is an ABC, that's probably the wave B. This is probably a wave A. And we're probably actually just going to keep on going down for a wave C. I think there's actually a pretty good chance that eventually, I mean, it's not going to happen all at once. It's going to be like zigzags along the way. But I think eventually it's probably going to go down to about $3,000 an ounce, making an ABC of wave 4 potentially on the weekly time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.